You ruined them.
I ruined your mountains?
You got paint all over my mountain.
Button. Morning, y'all. Let's see if I can make down the hill without slipping. So Leanne's going to town. Outpost is going to the Musins to do a woodworking class. Oh, it's so crazy going nuts. So that's going to be super fun. I'm going to see if I can make something for my essential oils because I don't want to have to buy an essential oil box because I can't fit all of my things in there, right? Because I have so many little ones and some awkward shaped ones, and I just really want to get something like that'll fit everything really well, and possibly if I get more. Yeah. So we'll see if we can do that.
And they'll stay put, right?
Yeah,
stay put.
Totally. So that'll be super fun. So going down to Devo's, and yeah, then we're gonna go head to the Musins. So gonna get a lot of footage of this too. So it'll be super fun.
But you don't have a treat, so I'm not dropping it. Oh, that was smart. Look at my ear.
The fact that she's like, ah!
Slippery floor. Did you drop it? Did you drop it? Ready?
Shape of Alaska.
Those are just gonna have to be really tiny.
Oh, she's
Yeah, and
getting
just put them on a wood
tired.
pallet. And then... I don't know, this is so stressful.
Check out this view.
Are we looking at my vision wrong?
Hi. You want this?
Uh-oh, Emily's got her. And it dropped.
I got the bear. I got the bear. Sit.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl. Here, ready? Uh-oh, stop.
What you making, Hannah?
I'm making a flag of Alaska.
That's cool.
It's actually a clock.
Michigan or Michigan?
What are you making?
I'll show you.
Okay.
I had 7 other options, so.
Well, that's helpful.
Okay.
That's super helpful.
I'm making this. Here's another picture.
That's so
I'm
cool.
gonna put my keys and my wallet on here so I don't lose them.
Like usual.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it'll be small enough to put in my my bag.
That's gonna be awesome. Cutting out the Alaska. Who knew?
Cutting skills are not in my repertoire.
Oh, that's okay. You'll get it.
Never went to kindergarten.
You never went to kindergarten.
Nope.
Are you
I can't
serious?
cut. No, I'm dead serious. I
You didn't go to-
I didn't go to kindergarten.
Okay.
That's where you learn your life cutting skills at.
Yep, pretty much. Maybe. I don't know. Unless you like crafts.
You know.
And you go outside and you take mom's good scissors and you go cut sticks so you can make forts. That's
And then you
really
get in trouble because you took mom's good scissors.
Yeah.
I never did that.
Life. You're the good child.
I mean, I took her scissors and cut paper, and I got yelled at because they were her sewing scissors.
Oh yeah, I've done that too. That's happened. That's happened.
That was a bad one. Oh, I just.
It looks harder than.
How's it going?
That's the one.
It looks like Alaska.
It does look like Alaska. I really like it. It's super cool.
I like it too.
It's gonna look cool. Other girls have not started their projects yet. Neither have I. Erin is still doing that.
That's really it.
That sucks.
You could put. Shannon thought it would have been a good idea to put white paint all over my mountain board. Not cool, Shannon. Not cool. I forgive you.
What did I do with your mountains?
You ruined them.
I ruined your mountains?
You got paint all over my mountains, but it's okay because Aaron fixed it.
Hannah.
See the stars?
I see the stars.
Yeah, I've got to dig them all out and make them recessed in the wind. So
How do you want to dig out stars?
instead of chasing them, I'm digging them out. It's a
Okay.
big difference.
So you're digging out stars.
Digging up bones.
Hey y'all, we are back from woodworking, back from the Musins. That's where we went for woodworking. I forgot to tell you that Katie was making a tray, like a breakfast tray. She's actually getting married in August, so she kind of had the idea of her husband bringing her food on that tray. I think that's super cute. But that's what she was making. Emily was just making a shelf with mountains in the background. Hannah was going to make a clock, but it ended up just being a flag Alaska, which is still pretty awesome. And I was making a box for essential oils. Funny thing about my box, the little tray that we were going to put in it, we did some math wrong, and it ended up I couldn't fit my little essential oil things in that tray, so I ended up having to just make a cardboard tray, which is fine. Someday I hope to make a wooden tray, but it'll work for now, and I can have all my essential oils in there. We actually have to put some poly on all of our wood stuff before it's totally finished, so hopefully we can get that done tomorrow, and then I can give you a idea of what we made. I think Katie's is still at the Musins, but I can show you the other ones that we've made once they're finished. So I'm absolutely exhausted. I've stayed up so late the last few nights just editing the vlog, so I could fall asleep right now, and I think it's like not even 7 o'clock. And yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're just gonna chill, getting some things done, probably popping in a movie and falling asleep because we are all tired from woodworking today and whatnot. So please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Comment below. I do a comment every single video, or at least the newer ones. And so find joy in the little things and give God glory in all things. Bye.